my name's Jake from augmentedworld.co.uk, and I'm here to demonstrate some of the projects I've been working on in my free time. These projects vary from augmented reality, virtual reality, experimental hardware, to make interesting programs. The program that I'm demonstrating here, as you can tell by the title, is the second variation of my augmented keyboard. There are still a few bugs with it, such as movement issues and just certain things corresponding correctly, but all in all, interesting changes. So without further ado, the second variation of the augmented keyboard. Just going to have this fairly close to the camera for now so you can see it's all still and everything. So yeah, previously the other variation of the augmented keyboard just had the keys, and where the cursor is where I would have had a standard string that would be the sentence that you type out. Now I've added a bit of an interface where we have at least 3 different lines where you can type in different things, so let's just quickly type something in here. Let's get red in there. Yeah, let's type in red, because that's the main colour on my armband, for example. Right, so say you've got the colour red, and you want to prioritise that at the top of your list, then simply grab and move it. There we go. And boom, top of your list. Now, as you saw just there, the augmentation is, again, a bit on and off, and that is generally because of how far this marker is away from the camera. In short, I need to shrink the interface a bit. So yeah. To stop the shakiness, I'm just going to be using this bottom panel for now. And there we are. Bottom panel selected, and just making sure I can type on it, because that is one of the other bugs that we're having for the time being. Ooh, let go. There we are. Now let's see. Ah, it's chose that one. There. That should work. Yeah. Could really go for a cup of tea. There we go. And yeah, if you don't want a cup of tea, then we can go to the delete function. Actually, you know what? Let's just quickly demonstrate this as well. Underneath this button here, which counts as our delete button, we've got this button here, which also counts as our, well, the switch button, which basically switches what sort of things are on the keyboard, and we've got our punctuation here with ... T ... and T ? And yeah, just have your own sentences. Now, that should pretty much cover everything. The only last detail I want to cover is that currently having movement issues, so that is why you have a stick down here. That is a visual. Let me try that again. That's a visual representation of your arm that is currently controlling the entire program, the cursor, and your movement and everything. That is only because in the first version you would roll to get what you wanted, and yeah, instead of rolling now, you actually can go left and right. It looks a bit inverted because inverted camera, but yeah, you can actually go left and right now. And the reason why we have the visual representation is because left and right can sometimes go out of sync, so you can recalibrate yourself and make sure that you're back in the proper position. But yeah, for that you need a representation of your arm, so just a little stick there. Augmentation method is still the same, and just to again shout out that Thalmic Labs with their Armband, which is a lovely piece of technology I've been using for the past couple of months in past previous videos. Without them I wouldn't have been able to make this program. There's still a few things I want to fix, as you know, but that pretty much covers everything, so thank you very much for watching and have a good day.